Hello, and welcome to KM 650, Technology for the Knowledge Management Professional. I'm Mike Prevou, and together with J.R. Growney, we'll spend this semester with you researching, discussing, and analyzing knowledge management technologies that will enable you and your companies to build and deploy successful knowledge management programs in all types of organizations. We'll discuss various types of technologies and tools of the trade, but a deep technology background is not required for this course. This is a course for KM practitioners who need to understand how to identify requirements, research what's available today, and select the KM technologies that best fit their company's needs and budgets. We'll stay at a relatively high level, focusing on features and functionality rather than on infrastructure and implementation. Before we get started with the course, I thought it might help if you knew a little bit about me. I live in Kansas City, Kansas, and I'm the President and Chief of Knowledge Strategies and Innovations for a little company called Strategic Knowledge Solutions. It's a consulting firm focused on KM and organizational learning. I got involved in KM when I was an Army professor at the Command and General Staff College at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. At that time, I was the director of the Army-wide Leader Network, where I was responsible for designing, deploying, and maintaining a worldwide network of communities of practice and knowledge-sharing solutions in support of the Army's emerging knowledge management program. I'm still involved in that program today and have helped create a network of over 120,000 Army leaders engaged in hundreds of communities and forums to share their lessons learned and solve problems. I've also worked with other government agencies, universities, and commercial clients, helping them develop knowledge strategies and architect solutions. I'm also very interested in techniques that improve individual expertise, and I've done some work with simulations and vignettes, which put a learner in the moment and give them a realistic problem and an experience, and then improve their situational understanding and decision-making skills. When I'm not doing learning and KM work, I like to cycle and scuba dive. Okay, you're right, so there aren't too many places in Kansas to scuba dive, so it gives me a great excuse to travel. I hope you'll find this course very engaging. I've tried to mix in a lot of discussion topics, along with the research and the projects, and I believe that you'll walk away from the course with not only a methodology that you can use in the future, but also some tangible documents about different KM technologies that you should be able to apply right away. I'm looking forward to meeting and working with each of you throughout the semester, and I invite you to feel free to contact me if I can help in any way. Thanks.